Hello everyone! Start off by tying a ponytail, add a rubber band in the middle section and then tie the hair up in the middle. Roll the hair in on itself as such to make it into a bow. Lift it up, then divide the hair into two sections, twist one over the other as such. Roll it upwards, wrap it around the bow and once more tie a rubber band to the hair. Take a section from the top and then use this multi-level clip to roll it. Fasten it in place, then take two sections from either side of the hair, twist it and then insert it into each of the levels. Now take some more levels on either side, twist it, insert it into each of the levels that are present. Once you're done with it, this is what it should look like. Next, take a multi-level clip, take a section from the right side and then insert the clip on top of it. Next, take three sections from the left side, twist each of these three sections and then insert them into each of the levels of the clip as such. Next, take a section off the top of the hair and then begin to braid it. Now braid it until you reach the middle section, add a rubber band to it after this. Now, taking the bottom portion of the hair, wrap it around your braid and then tie a ponytail with this and add a rubber band to it. Now, roll this section of the hair in on itself as such and tighten it. Make a braid out of it, roll it upwards and then adjust the hair around it. Use a bobby pin to fasten it in its place and on top add a decorative rubber band. Start off by tying a ponytail out of the hair, take a multiple prong pin and fasten it in place as such. Add a rubber band to the top of the hair, fold it over and then roll it in. Use a bobby pin to fasten it in its place as such. Start off by tying a ponytail out of the hair, then take the hair in the ponytail, twist it around the arm of the clip as such. Now insert the clip in place and then fasten your clip and then add this at the top. Fasten it in place once you are done and this is what it should look like. Tie a ponytail out of the hair and then take this decorative clip, add it to the base after lifting the hair up. Now add a rubber band to the end of it and after that fold the hair inwards as such. Make a small gap into it and then use a bobby pin in order to fasten it in its place. Next, take a multi-level clip, take a section at the back and add the clip on top of it. Now take a section from the right, twist it, insert it into the middle level of the clip. Do the same with the left side section as well. Now take a section from the right, twist it, insert it into the right side of the hair, take a section from the left side, insert it on the left side. Thank you for watching.